Hi, and welcome to another episode of Oxvalley Home Projects. Today I will show you a 3D model I made. So I decided to build a toy tractor. I was impressed by a picture in a Facebook group. I also wanted to design something with a lot of small parts that fit together. I started to build 7 weeks ago. I always start my project by writing down the date and the time when I start. I have done that since always. I have been inspired by my father's tractors on his farm. The farm is called Oxdalen in Swedish. That means Ox Valley in English. I put up some rules that I wanted to achieve with my design. Many small parts that can be disassembled and rebuilt. Also so they can be printed in different colors and replaced when design changes. Use no glue. I have come up with techniques to join the pieces together, sliding things together, made close fit to get them to stack, adding knobs and holes for them to fit in, used own designed bolts and nuts. Make versions. I simplified things in this version, the Oxvalley T1 model, T for tractor. I can now replace parts to make a newer model. Make a Lego-like building instruction. Here it is, my own instruction for building it. I am using OpenSCAD to design my stuff. I like writing code instead of dragging and clicking on things. In OpenSCAD, you use very simple geometric shapes to add or remove objects. This is all the parts I designed. It is 33 pieces in 20 different designs. Okay, here it starts. Let's speed things up a little. I used 2 cameras for the first time. You can see my GoPro imitation camera on the table here. And I know the roof broke during recording this. Here you can also see my mobile phone filming from the other side, in my own designed holder. This is the prototype. I have replaced a lot of these parts while designing. Well, in fact, all of these pieces. And this is some of the pieces I have redesigned during this project. And this is the final result. You may download the files to 3D print your own tractor for free, along with the building instructions. Look in the description for the link. Well,
that was all for today's episode.
Bye bye.